Hello, my name is William, and I'm going to use the Raptor Advance to shoot steel balls. A lot of people like to shoot steel balls instead of arrows because it's a very interesting option. It's a lot cheaper and also a lot safer. Plus, it's a lot of fun. I'm going to shoot those cans off that rock, and then we'll see what the power is of this weapon. Yeah, nice. As you can see in this can, the force of the impact of the steel ball is very strong. It went in right here, and it came out in the back. So the force of shooting steel balls is very strong, and also it's a lot of fun.